In this Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to make Blender ugly using this amazing free Blender theme called Genuinely Disgusting. So thank you to Aiden McCown for creating this really amazing theme, and I'll have a link in the video description if you want to check it out. So this is a free theme from the extensions page on blender.org. And as you can see, it has some really high quality ratings. Here are some different screenshots of this really amazing theme. And as you can see, it has some really positive reviews, works exactly as advertised. I no longer enjoy working in Blender just the way I like it, and I wish I no longer had eyeballs. So clearly this is an amazing theme that we need to try out. It's also gotten over 7,000 downloads, so clearly people love this theme. And so you can just click on the Get Theme button and then just click and drag, and you can drop it here into Blender and let go. And then it's going to check for updates. And then you can click on Set Current Theme. That'll automatically set it as the current theme. I'm going to uncheck this and then just click on OK. So in Blender, I'm just going to click on Edit, and I'm going to go to the User Preferences. And in the Preferences, you can go to Themes. And if you click here on Presets, there's going to be all the different themes that you can choose from that you have installed. So I'm just going to choose Genuinely Disgusting. And immediately you can see it totally improves the Blender workspace and the Blender layout and everything. This is so much better. I can't believe I've been using Blender for almost 9 years and never used this theme. It's just so much easier to see the buttons. It's just really easy on my eyes. So, I'm probably going to use this for all of my future Blender tutorials. You guys should probably just all upgrade because this is probably going to be like the new standard. They should honestly just make this default. I don't know why they don't have this default in Blender. So yeah, I'm just going to like hop around, kind of see how it looks in UV editing, over in sculpting. Yeah, I really like how it's like this ugly green color. It's just genuinely disgusting, so it's a great name for the theme. Let's see what the shading window looks like. So I'm just gonna add like a noise texture. Yeah, I even like that it has like that nice pink outline. And if you do want to save this as your default settings, just make sure you select the Genuinely Disgusting theme here in the User Preferences, and then just click on the Save Preferences button, and that way you can open up Blender and it will always be using this amazing theme. And back over here on the extensions page, there's even a what's new section, and you can see in the new version, they made the shader editor even uglier. So definitely check out that new amazing feature. And if you click on the themes button here in the extensions page, there are a lot more themes that you can definitely check out if you want to. But honestly, I wouldn't even bother wasting your time on all these other themes because obviously this is the best one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this theme, and thank you for watching. In this Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to make I just can't do this with a straight face. But honestly, I wouldn't even bother wasting your time on all these other themes because obviously this is the best one.